नहीं रख लोगे। Recently, I got some sweets from my boyfriend's family. His brother went to a Middle Eastern country named as Azerbaijan. Yeah, Azerbaijan. And there he bought lots and lots of toffees from that place. So, try करके देखती हूँ। मतलब मैंने सोचा कि इतना मीठा कैसे खाऊंगी, but I'll just call my boyfriend and then I'll taste along with him. बहुत अलग अलग टाइप का है यहाँ पर। कोई मतलब अलग अलग फ्लेवर का है, फ्रूट्स के है, कॉफ़ी के है, and like I'll take just one bite of everything. आओ ना, चलो स्वीट्स टेस्ट करते हैं। पहले कौन सा शुरू करते हैं? तुम रुको चूज़ करेंगे ना पहले। 10 से 20 हिसाब करो।
क्या?
वहाँ ओ टी टाइम वाला जो कशु ने बोला था। देखना पड़ेगा एक बार जाके। तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा मीठा। अरे रुको, इतना बड़ा बाइट कैसे ले सकते हो? ये मेरी मीठा है सारे खाने के बाद। एंड मैंने देखा है कि जितने भी मिडिल ईस्टर्न कंट्री है ना, सब में वो पीनट वाला फ्लेवर है, मतलब सारे चॉकलेट में। पता नहीं क्यों।
क्या चूज?
ये कुछ कॉफ़ी वाला लग रहा है। इसमें क्या है? ओह, ये ड्रम जैसा है।
बहुत मीठा हो गया। इसमें भी है कैरामेल जैसा
हाँ, हर चीज़ के अंदर कैरामेल है। देख रहे हैं, तेरे नाम पे चॉकलेट बन रही है। होगा पहले हम लोग ऑरेंज खाएंगे। आई लव ऑरेंज। आउच।
ऑरेंज में ऑरेंज नहीं हुआ तो
गल चुका है क्या थोड़ा सा? सब चॉकलेटी। ओ माय गॉड, नो। किस चीज़ के ऊपर हो सकता है? इट्स लाइक पीनट, मूंगफली डाला है, बिस्किट एंड कुछ समथिंग वेजिटेबल ऑयल है ना। आई थिंक ये भी कोकोनट वाला भी वही होगा।
कोकोनट जैसे।
इसके अंदर, हाँ ठीक है, ये सही लगा मेरे को। मैं इतना मीठा खाती हूँ नहीं, मतलब बट इसमें भी है यार, नट्स है इसमें।
पर इसमें कोकोनट भी है शायद।
क्या है? फेरेरो रोसरो
सकते बेरी।
हाँ, ये वाला ट्राई करते हैं। द पैकेजिंग इज वेरी क्यूट। तुम बहुत बड़ा बाइट नहीं मार रहे हो निखिल। अच्छा है।
चॉकलेट के अंदर जाम।
ओह नो।
वो ये कप सिरप जैसा टेस्ट कर रहा है।
यस, खराब वाला वाइन जैसा लग रहा है। खराब वाला ग्रेप्स।
कप सिरप।
ओह नो, नॉट दिस वन। हर बारी तुम ही बड़ा बाइट लेते रहते हो।
नॉर्मल है।
आई कैन हैव दिस। पर इसमें कुछ भी फ्लेवर नहीं है।
नॉर्मल है।
ओह, इट्स लाइक वेफर्स। या
थोड़ा सा कॉफी जैसा है तो।
यू लाइक दिस? पसंद है आपको? मैं ये सब मीठा ना कॉफ़ी के साथ खा पाऊंगी, है ना। बहुत मीठा है ये, लाइक एक्सट्रीम स्वीट। कौन सा? हाँ, ये वाला खोलो है। बड़े कुछ ग्रीन कलर का दिख रहा है। पीनट
ट्रफल
तो फिर चॉकलेट ही होगा।
अंदर तक का बाइट नहीं किया मैंने।
दिस इज प्योर चॉकलेट ही। इसमें चॉकलेट ही है बस, इसमें कोई भी फ्लेवर नहीं। इट्स लाइक डेयरी मिल्क। ओह,
पीनट।
ओह नो। इट्स ऑल पीनट ही। हाँ, इट्स ऑल पीनट ही। मतलब दो सेम दे दिया उसने।
कलर अलग है
तो कुछ और भी हो सकता है इसके फ्लेवर।
ये थोड़ा डार्क लग रहा है।
Oh, this is nice. I like it. ये dark है और थोड़ा dark chocolate की तरह है. ये मत खाना please.
ये लास्ट वाला बहुत बेकार है. तो गंदा ही लग रहा है.
Don't judge a book by its cover. ऐसा होता है ना. क्या हो सकता है अच्छा निकले. बोलना. Suspense तोड़ दो.
इसके जैसा एक और चीज़ मिलता था बचपन में. छोटे वाले शॉप्स पे. बिल्कुल वैसा टेस्ट कर रहा है.
अब पीनट फ्लेवर का है, मतलब बादाम 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 पीनट 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 पीनट. सबसे अच्छा बताओ. सबसे अच्छा बताओ. ये अच्छा था. ओ मैंने ये ख़राब बोल दिया. अच्छा कोकोनट वाला अच्छा लगा था मैं. ठीक है ओके. कौन सा पसंद आया? मुझे ये पसंद आया. So these are the thrift shopping I did like after so long time, and I feel really good because I feel that I used to buy expensive clothes which I do not wear. They are of my no use, like it's not like daily use kind of clothes. So I thought of buying some clothes which can be used on a daily purpose, and also you can go nearby. I bought these clothes and some accessories, and I bought some clips as well from different stores. Basically I went to Sarojini and then I went to Mr. DIY. Most of the girls have heard about it. In Mr. DIY you get very good amount of things in very cheaper prices. So let me just start with it. So I'll just start with my dresses first, and these dresses you won't even believe in how much prices I got, like what are the prices of each dress, and you will be very shocked. Like I would not say shocked, but of course bargaining skills as well. Whenever you go for street shopping, bargaining skills should be on a higher level. This is it's a maxi dress kind of thing, but this is very pretty because of these frills. There are some flower frills on the border, and this looks very pretty and very summery. This color won't look very heated up and not too loud as well. So most of the times as you guys already know, I love pastel colors, so I choose this color. And this is a long dress, so this is a very convenient one, and I wore it, and as you can see this fits me very well and it looks quite lovely. I did not mention the price of this dress. I took this dress for around 350 rupees. No, this is for 300 rupees. Okay, this is the next dress. Like this cloth is pure cotton, like so soft and so comfortable on your skin. Like it doesn't give you any kind of uncomfortable feeling. And this dress is around 300 as well. So I got quite a good deal by going on a Monday, and as you can see this fits me well, and this is something like very decent. It looks good on you, and it's a little bit long, and it's made of cotton. Like this is very light on your skin, so I really like this kind of dresses. Like I already told you that I'm changing my wardrobe, so this will suit me very well, and this color is must during the summertime, I would say. Like this is very good. This cloth, oh my god, this cloth is so soft and it's very light. Like the material and the density is so light that I can wear it while even staying inside my home as well. But of course I will be wearing this while I'm going out, a little bit more on a girlish kind of side, I don't know. So yeah, I got this cloth for 300 rupees as well from Sarojini itself. Yes. Next is a cute dress, and this dress I got it for around 250. Yeah, 250 kind of something. So I thought of taking something for my sister. Like I wanted to buy something for my sister who is in Assam, and of course there's some news that I have to tell you, like some very important and big decision that I have made in these past days. I did fit in this dress, but I think it's not meant for me. It is meant for my sister only because it's a little bit tight on my body, but still I don't know, like I might keep it as well and give something else to my sister. Next is I got a bodysuit. Like this is a dupe of Zara, and this is also very soft and cottonish, because of course white goes very well during the summer times. It doesn't make you, feel too loud or too hot, whenever you wear it. It fits my curves and fit my body as well very properly. Along with that, I think I'm going to pair it with this skirt. You just can't believe I got this skirt for 100 rupees. Yes, 100 rupees. It was just like randomly a person was selling it, and then I saw this. Like, there are a lot of skirts, like denim skirts, blue, I don't know what color, peach color, beige color, and everything. Like, there were a lot of varieties. But I saw this and I thought of buying this, because of course summer is here. I got this cute, this is a like, if you watch it, if you give it a glance, it does look like a kids wear, like a person like 7 to 8 years, a kid can wear this. But of course this is a mini crop top which I got from Bonkers Corner. It's a website, I'll mention it in my description box, and I think I'm going to pair it with the skirt as well, because this will look very good. Like, it's very pastel colors and it looks very good during the summertime. This pink skirt, like, I have seen this in a lot of Pinterest photos, girls wearing skirts with top, like any kind of top, sports top, or any kind of half sleeve top, like the fitted ones, and along with that they're wearing this skirt, and beneath them they have some kind of good shoes or any kind of slippers, which looks very cute. So yeah, I'm going to pair this with them as well. Got some cute bikini tops, so I did paired up with this along with that dress, and it looked quite good. Next is this bikini. This will go along with it. Let me just show you also by wearing. So this is it. Oh, this is not it. I have one more pair of bikini. I'm going to pair this with this panty. A pop-up color on the black, or any kind of plain colors looks very good, like plain white, plain black, and plain green, or anything like that. And the next, I got this from Sarojini as well. This is a bralette. Next are the things which I brought from Mr. DIY. Hairbands, like these are headbands, which I got them for like 60 rupees each, 60 rupees from Mr. DIY, and these are super soft, like they're very stretchy. It doesn't even hurt my head, because I know the shape of my head, it's a little bit big, I would say, like round face. So whenever I try to wear any kind of headbands, I feel like that someone is hammering my head, or someone is like stretching my skull from my body. So these are very good, because already I'm wearing this and it looks super good and pretty, and I can pair it with some sports clothes or anything, like nowadays these are trend, like headbands are trend. I bought some clutches. These are summer clutches, which I can pair it with those dresses which I bought. Then I bought this bracelet, hand bracelet, some earrings from Mr. DIY, and these are like 150-180 rupees for the whole palette as well. I can wear this along with all my beachy dresses. Postpone holoko. Cute bracelets I bought from Sarojini as well. These are for like 30 rupees each bracelet, and I bought these bracelets because we are traveling again, I hope so. So for that photo shoot, I need some kind of accessories which I can show, like the summer vibe and everything, And yeah, pretty much that's it, I think so. Yeah, I have some more of them. That is like, I bought some finger rings, like these are which you can wear along with bikinis and bikini tops. This will look quite good. And I bought some blender from Mr. DIY. This is like you have to wear it along with the bikini. This is some lacy kind of skirt which I got from Sarojini for 250 rupees. As you can see that it is pairing good with the bikini, and it will look super good. Like, it will look little bit and minimally covered, and also you can flaunt your bikinis along with it. So this dress is for only 100 rupees which I bought. Oh, I think it's 50 rupees which I bought from Sarojini, and this is super light. We are out for friends, that means Nikhil's cousin's party. It's been some long time that he went somewhere. So वही जो मतलब ट्रिप गए थे हम लोग काम के लिए पहाड़ों पे, उसके बाद तो it's like I think after
व्लॉग है व्लॉग